Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Val Bands V3 indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator can help us both in identifying trends and in spotting ranging areas in the market sec, as well as showing us the strength of the trend. And we can also use these as buy and sell signals. This indicator is made up of histograms and lines. When these histograms are yellow, it indicates that we are in ranging areas.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Areas of the market, and the market lacks a trend. When they are blue, like here and here, both light blue and dark blue, it indicates that we have an upward trend. When the color is light blue, it shows a weak upward trend. And when it is dark blue, it indicates a strong upward trend. When the colors are red, like pink and red, it indicates a downward trend. Pink represents a weak downward trend, and red represents a strong downward trend. We also see lines here, which are the calculation of the Bollinger bands over the length of the candles. We can use these lines in such a way so that the more the histograms cross these lines and have higher values, like in this area, our trend is stronger and we can have more confidence in that signal. For example, when we have a blue histogram and this histogram closes above the upper Bollinger band line, we can enter a buy trade, and conversely, when we have a red histogram and it closes above the upper Bollinger band line, we can enter a sell trade. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the calculation period of this indicator. The higher we set this value, the fewer fluctuations we will have, and in a way, there will be less noise. The next option is the moving average calculation method within this indicator, which we can choose from among these options. The next option is the Bollinger band deviation, which we have calculated here. The following option is the shift for the Bollinger band, which we can enter here. The next option, if set to true, displays these three lines or posh bands, and if set to false, it does not display them. And the next option is the number of candles it goes back on the chart and performs the calculations for. Let's watch a live test of this indicator together on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.